Hey, Emma, how was your day at school?
It was good. We had a math test today, and I think I did well. What about you?
Oh, I had a history presentation. I was a little nervous, but it went fine.
That's great. Do you like history?
Yes, I do. I find it really interesting. What's your favorite subject?
I like science. I enjoy doing experiments in the lab.
That sounds fun. By the way, are you coming to the school sports event this weekend?
Yes, I'm playing in the football match. Are you joining?
No, I'm not playing, but I'll be cheering for you.
Thanks. Let's meet after the match.
Sure. See you then.
So, after the match, do you want to grab something to eat?
That sounds like a great idea. Maybe we can go to the cafe near school.
Yeah, they have really good sandwiches. By the way, did you finish the English homework?
Not yet. It's a bit difficult. I might need some help.
No problem. Let's study together after school tomorrow.
That would be awesome. Studying with friends makes it easier.
Yeah, and we can quiz each other before the test next week.
Good idea. By the way, did you hear about the school trip next month?
Oh, yes. I'm so excited. We're going to the Science Museum, right?
Yes, it will be fun. I love learning new things outside the classroom.
Me too. Let's make sure to bring our cameras and take lots of pictures.
Definitely. It's going to be a great trip.
All right, I have to go now. See you tomorrow at school.
See you. Have a good evening.
The next day at school.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Did you finish the English homework?
Yes, thanks to your help. Studying together really made it easier.
I'm glad. So, what's our first class today?
We have science, and I think we're doing an experiment today.
That sounds exciting. I hope we don't have to write a long report afterward.
Me too. By the way, did you bring your sports uniform? You have the football match later.
Yes, I did. I'm a little nervous, though.
Don't worry, you'll do great. I'll be cheering for you.
Thanks. Oh, I almost forgot. Did you hear about the new student in our class?
Yes, I think their name is Alex. They just moved here.
Maybe we should invite them to sit with us at lunch.
That's a great idea. It can be hard being new in school.
Yeah, let's make them feel welcome.
All right, let's head to class before we're late.
Yes, let's go.
Finally, school is over for the day. That was a long day.
Yeah, but it was a good one. The science experiment was fun.
It was, but I think I messed up my report. I might need to rewrite it.
Don't worry. I can help you after football practice.
Thanks. Speaking of football, are you ready for your big match this weekend?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous. What if I mess up?
Come on, you're a great player. Just focus and do your best.
I'll try. Are you still coming to watch?
Of course, I wouldn't miss it. I'll be cheering for you.
That means a lot. After the match, do you want to go out for ice cream?
That sounds perfect. We'll celebrate your win.
Haha, let's hope we win first.
You will. Anyway, let's go home. We still have homework to do.
Yeah, let's not forget that. See you tomorrow.
See you.